Yeah, Mr. Duke. Come on, you gotta work with me, Mr. Duke. Come on, look, you gotta work with me. I need some bull crap. Come on. I got you in your stall. I need bull crap. You gotta work with me, son. I'm trying to, look, I need all the crap I can get. Come on, I'm giving you special treatment. Let's try it. Look, what we're trying to do here, son. We're trying to grow some Danny corn. Look, here. We're trying to grow some Danny corn. Look, look. Look at this. I need you to cooperate with me. I need as much bull crap as I can get. This is what we're trying to grow right here. We're trying to grow some Danny corn, and bull crap is what it takes to grow great Danny corn. Come on, Mr. Duke. You gotta work with me, son. Here, take it. Here, eat that. Right here. Right here. Look, right here. Look, right here. Right here. This is what we're focused. You gotta focus on what we're doing. You gotta focus. Bull crap. Remember, bull crap. That's what we need. Bull crap. Yes, I'm talking to you. The corn is actually, if I stepped back further, you can see the corn is actually waist high to me right now. It is really growing. Yes, I have a jacket on. It's in the 40s out here again this morning. It's like the cold weather just will not go away. But the Danny corn is loving the cool mornings and the warm days. Well, son, it worked. The Danny corn is already waist high just because of bull crap. Woo, it's cold. I gotta sit down for just a minute, guys. Guys, it's proven fact now that bull crap is powerful. The more you spread it, the more stuff escalates. I mean, I'm blown away. I am really blown away at the power in bullcrap. I mean, you just saw the Danny corn. That is evidence. We started putting that stuff on in 3 weeks. It's already waist high. Well, I'm a firm believer now that if you spread enough bullcrap, it escalates things tremendously. April Fools, guys. Let's go out. You know, I ain't gonna take you out. Let's do this. Watch the video coming up after this, and you'll see where my Danny corn really is. Thank you, guys, from Pecan Grove.